Over the past few decades, PET polyethylene terephthalate bottles have gained widespread worldwide usage. These lightweight, durable, and cost-effective containers are widely used for packaging beverages and various household products. What happens to these bottles after we throw them? Recycling PET bottles is a promising way to reduce their environmental impact, but a country like India confronts many hurdles. Low recycling rates are caused by the country's inefficient recycling infrastructure, informal sector waste collection. How is PET actually recycled? 1. Collection of PET bottles. PET bottles are collected from various sources, including households, commercial establishments, and recycling centers. Once collected, PET bottles are pre-sorted to remove any non-PET materials, such as other types of plastics, metals, or paper labels. This can be done manually by workers or through automated sorting machines. 2. Shredding of PET bottles. PET bottles are then shredded into small pieces or flakes using specialized equipment, such as shredders or granulators. Shredding increases the surface area of the PET material and facilitates subsequent processing steps. 3. Washing and drying. PET typically has a density of around 1.3 GCM3, while PP has a lower density of around 0.9 GCM3. This density contrast enables the separation of the two materials. Due to the difference in density, PP tends to float while PET sinks. 4. Pelletization. PET polyethylene terephthalate and PP polypropylene are both thermoplastic polymers. They can be melted and reshaped multiple times upon heating and solidified upon cooling, retaining their properties throughout the process. The melting temperature of PET polyethylene terephthalate typically ranges from 250 to 260 degrees centigrade. The melting temperature of PP polypropylene typically ranges from 160 to 170 degrees centigrade. The PET bottles proceed to pelletizing stages to be turned into recycled PET pellets for manufacturing new products. Similarly, the PP bottle caps can be processed into recycled PP material for reuse. Recycled PET can be used to make food and beverages bottle, non-food bottle, fiber sheets, and various different products.